Do you want to stay updated about certain apps while your Samsung phone is in Do Not Disturb mode? Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through the process of allowing specific app notifications even when your phone is set to Do Not Disturb. Let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down a little bit to find the Notifications option. Now, tap on Notifications. Keep scrolling down to find the Do Not Disturb section. Then, tap on Do Not Disturb. Scroll down once again until you reach the App Notifications option. Next, tap on App Notifications. Now, tap on Add Apps to select the apps you want to allow notifications from. Choose the app that's important to you, like Gmail. After that, tap Done at the bottom of the screen. And that's it! You have successfully set up your phone to allow notifications from selected apps during Do Not Disturb. That's how you let certain app notifications through while your Samsung phone is in Do Not Disturb mode. If you have any questions or need more help, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in!